Yeah, if it's too big, and you'll broken off.
Oh, come on. Something took at it. Oh, I watched that.
There we go.
Y'all Spanish fight a little different down here.
Somehow you do better than others.
It's a trout rod.
Oh, trout rod. So then you
Coming up.
there we go.
What do they gotta be? 12 to the fork here?
Yeah,
So he's golden.
On that one. Go back in that. Oh, that's about 50, 60.
Oh yeah. And guess who doesn't have pliers? I lost them on the boat yesterday. That's what I heard. Yours is, they fight a lot different down here. They got some shoulders to them. That was definitely a sheepshead too. Oop, we're tangled up here. Ooh. Hey, thank you.
Finally got one.
Yeah.
Somebody. About time.
You got a tape measure on you? They gotta be 10 to the fork, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Ooh, ouch. Sharp little fuckers.
Oh yeah, yeah, they'll get you.
He just
got one. There you go, either way.
He's close. Oh, you got it all day. Yeah, they can't
As
say
long as he's
nothing.
at least
Even.
11, because he'll shrink in the cooler.
Yeah, you got 11. You're almost 12 to the fork.
Sweet, thank you. Woo! Are those sheepshead underneath that piling? I can see them down below you. Oh, I gotta measure. I gotta measure that one.
That right there where that Bass Pro Shop label's at. Yeah, he's gonna be close. Be careful with your fingers near the mouth.
Yeah. To the fork, he's just under 11.
Well, there you go.
So that's probably about as close as I want to get.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, see you.
We are again. Boys, I think.
Caught one on this rod yet. One day I came down here, water was like 60 degrees.
You see them?
Yeah.
There was 2 or 3 down there messing with me then. They didn't ever bite it, but they come up to it.
Oh, there we go. Shit. Did that clear the water?
Yeah, he did. Heads up, I'm coming up, coming up. Holy shit, there's a Spanish following him too. Trying to cut me off. You do not cut him off, you. Coming up. Whoo! That was beautiful. Woo-hoo! That fucking hurts. I have a feeling that if one were to surprisingly hit this, I am just fucked. Is what I was trying to say. There's one chasing it. Coming up. Well, you really wanted that, didn't you? Hey, hey. Do you want it back?
Yeah.
You know where it is?
No.
You sure?
Where is
it? In my fucking arm.
Wow, I'm sorry. You alright?
Alright, so I'm gonna run through real quick. This is my catch, sheepshead, trigger, some Spanish. I'm gonna run through how to clean them real quick, and then I'm gonna cook a couple up probably tomorrow. Make some ceviche out of the Spanish mackerel. And I don't know what we're gonna do with the sheepies, and the triggers, but I'm gonna show off what I do. The Spanish, come in, cut down, right to that backbone. Glide your knife right off. Flip it over, knife in, down the backbone. Glide your knife right off. Boom. Spanish mackerel. Nice. You can see light through it. And you come up to these fillets. There's two ways of doing it. Some people fillet it off the skin first. Some people don't. I like to come through, take this rib cage off. Once I get that rib cage off, and I come through, leaving a little bit of skin in between my knife. A little bit of meat, I mean. Because you're still going to get a little bit there. And this is for my dogs. I'll show you what I do for that then too. Trim away stuff that you miss, like the fin. Mess it up from time to time. And Spanish mackerel have this pin bone that come down. I just take my knife, come along one side, feel it, come down the other side. And then that little tiny bits there that you can take off if you want. That is solid Spanish mackerel. Flaying these sheepshead. I like using this Dexter knife. It is sharp. This serrated knife. One cut and it gets done. I just saw that second time, but that was just because I felt like being extra. Flay down along this backbone. Come up in here. I like to do is try to work that knife on the other side, come back up through, and then just like I do with any sunfish or anything like that, pop it right off. Then I come back through and take this lovely sharp serrated blade and just boom. Now if you don't have a serrated blade, you just got a normal knife. This is going to dull your knife out real quick. I got to cut a lot. So if you don't have a serrated like I have, just come in at one of the scales. Coming behind them, this works for big ones as well. Come in. Come up. And work your way back down. And business just like the other side. Come down through. Push through that rib cage on these smaller ones. Your bigger ones just go over top of the rib cage. Boom. Missed a little bit. I'm gonna go back through trim. I don't like wasting any meat. I keep a little bag here for little treats. And that is how you do a nice little sheep's head. Triggerfish. I'm not too sure how I'm going to tackle this one. Probably should let them do it. However, we're going on this adventure together with this Dexter knife. We're going to see. Okay, yeah, Dexter knife beats everything. When that falls, it's going to be funny. Same general idea, just cut along this back. Beautiful meat in there. If you do not have one of these Dexter serrated blades, I highly recommend getting one. Because without it, you are not cutting through. You just dull your knife out. Like, that did nothing. You get this serrated bad boy. That's what one cut does. 2 cuts goes through. Just easier. Right along through. Boom. Make these 2 Spanish mackerel and this one in the ceviche. The rest of my Spanish mackerel is in a saltwater bath. The reason I do that is I want to pull out as much blood as I can before freezing them. They're just gonna sit in there for a few minutes. All right, now remember what I said about that Spanish mackerel skin? It makes great dog treats. Just gonna put them on a pan. I like to do meat side down. And that's gonna go in the oven once I get some extra stuff for them. You'll see that once. Alright, now we've got these two beautiful fillets from a triggerfish. And I think this is going to be some real good ceviche from these. And the rest I'm going to seal up as well. I'm not making a lot of ceviche, but I'm going to make a decent amount. I'm also going to make some out of sheepshead, and I'm going to cook up a piece fresh. So, same principle as everything else. Fillet it off. Cut that rib cage out. Give it a rinse. Nice piece of meat. Ready for cooking or ceviche. And soy sauce. Same with some of the scraps from the fish from yesterday. I'm gonna get these and just do a simple taste test of them. See how that turns out. These right here are the cheeks of that spade fish, or not spade fish, triggerfish. Just gonna drop them and see how they taste. All right, so now what we got is our nice fillets here. What I'm gonna try doing is just try making them nice bite-sized pieces. It's not gonna be pretty looking. Some bigger chunks. And it goes. I like to just use that top section. Now we got our nice starter. I'm gonna grab some of this mixture that I made. Make sure I get some juice in there. And just coat it. Give that a quick mix. And that's going to be in the fridge for tomorrow. So, after they've been baked for quite a while, it pretty much turns into a jerky. I call them crunchies. That's why. And my dogs, this is a Spanish mackerel. Love them. Now, this is the sheepshead. This is their first time having sheepshead. Let's see how they like it. Come on. Come on. Damn. I'm gonna say they don't discriminate against free dog treats. And that's the sound of a happy dog. Let's try one more just in case that one didn't work. She's a slow eater. Dogs love it. Easy to do if you got dogs. I don't know about cats, but they certainly love it. Now, one thing I do once they're done, I just put them in a bag. I went out on a flounder trip, got a bunch of flounder. Flounder did not do too well being crunchy. However, it still kind of made a decent little treat. Almost like a rawhide. Doesn't have that satisfying crunch, but they love it nonetheless. There you guys go.